Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great start to your week. I'm that Ed Tech Guy, and it's Tech Tuesday. This week's tech tip was shared by high school art teacher Wendy Arisich. In this episode of Tech Tuesday, I'm going to show you a grammar and spell checker Chrome extension that, when enabled, will check for spelling and grammar errors in any Chrome window. You are probably all too familiar with the fact that Connexus does not include an automatic spelling and grammar checker in webmail. After you have typed your message, you have to manually click the spell check icon on the toolbar to check for spelling and grammar errors. I can't tell you how many times I forgot to do this over the years. However, with the Grammar and Spell Checker language tool, you will no longer need to do this, as the extension will automatically check for spelling and grammar errors in any Chrome window. The first thing you need to do is search for the Grammar and Spell Checker language tool in the Chrome store. A Google search should provide you a link to the Chrome store in the first result. Once there, click Add to Chrome to add this extension to your browser. You will be prompted to make sure that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension. Once the extension was added, you will notice that you get a new window telling you that this extension will check your text by sending it to LanguageTool.org over an encrypted connection. Your text will not be stored, and checking can be disabled at any time. You should just click OK, got it. Now you're ready to use the language tool. In order for the tool to begin working for the first time, you will need to close out any browser that you were currently using and reload that browser. Now, the next time you compose a webmail in Connexus, you will notice that your message is going to automatically update with spelling errors. You no longer need to click the spell check icon manually in the webmail message. You can now click on the word and it will give you corrections for that spelling. And you can just click those corrections and it will automatically update that within that webmail message. Thanks again, Wendy, for sharing this tip with us. I hope this saves you all some time in the future. Have a great week. That's it for this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have an idea for an upcoming episode, send me an email or hit me up on Twitter @thatedtechguy. Have a great week, everyone.